Hi guys, Ryker here. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw characters from start to finish. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we need to find an image from Pinterest. Now I'm gonna use the reference image as a guide to sketch the basic pose of the drawing. So now I start adding the details of the face like the eyes, mouth, nose and hair. And for the clothes, you can add basic small details like pins, a water bottle to spice up the clothes a little bit and make the drawing a little bit more interesting to look at. Just finished sketching, now it's time to ink. And as always, I'll be using the Faber Castell Pitt artist pens to do this. Okay, it's currently 10:30 now and I've been drawing every day. I am really tired and I need to sleep, so see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
So with inking, you just need to make the lines that appear in the foreground a bit thicker than the ones that appear in the back. And this would definitely make your drawings look much more epic.
At the top I found some relief. I finally got some please carry on, but please don't mess up. My heart's been
okay, time to start coloring. And for this one, I'll be using the Art and Fly alcohol-based markers.
It's like I finally noticed I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lot.
Okay, so just finished coloring the skin tone. Now it's time to color the clothes. And you can also use Pinterest as well to find reference clothes you can use to color your character with. Here's how to blend markers, and you need 3 colors. A base color, a light color, and the darkest color. First add a layer of the base color, then follow by adding your darkest color after you decide where you want your light source to come from. Now use your light color to blend with the darkest color, and then use the base color to blend everything together, and now you have a sexy transition. And as always, if you're still watching the video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're pretty awesome. Peace out. Years and years. Promise my brother soon as he out and finished his bid, we finna do it bigger than anybody ever did. The odds is real big. Clothes done. Now to color the sneakers. My God is real big. Stayed up on the ground and the cars is real big. I gotta do it big, the only way that I can live. And I promise I'm trying to. Before you count me out, homie, let me remind you they was blocking the shine. Just finished coloring the drawing. Enjoy the reveal. Bye. Back when I was broken, I couldn't acquire 2 cents, and now I got 2 rents. They was sleeping on me, homie, must have got too big. Call my phone, I be like, who this? Damn. Okay, let's record it. Okay. Hi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Hell yeah, I'm brand new. Smell like can too. I'm fresh forever like canned food.